If you've ever spent hours decorating for a party or trying to make a cute backdrop for photos, watch this. This is the Melson Tinsel Foil Fringe Curtain. So let's see what we're working with. This is what I'm working with. Pretty boring, pretty bland. I did hang up a white tablecloth because my walls are not white and I wanted to make sure that we were gonna get the actual color of this when I hung it up. Whether you're decorating for a birthday party, a baby shower, a bridal shower, or maybe you're filming content, this is a really fast way to give yourself a different backdrop than just your regular plain walls. The best part about these is how easy they are to set up. So, this one looks like it comes in 2 different sections, and most of them, and I'm assuming this one as well, are just peel and stick. So let's see what we got going here. Oh wow, look how pretty that is already. That's gonna be gorgeous. I'm a little bit worried that it might be tangled, but it seems to be untangling really easily. So I guess maybe that was not really something that I needed to be worried about. So let's see. They wrap it up really nice so it untangles really nicely. Isn't this so much fun? Let's put it up. All right guys, no tools, no complicated setup, just peel and stick. So let's do that. Easy enough. Hopefully I don't make a mess. So there's the sticker on the top. Swing it around here. Press it to the top of my tablecloth there. Boom. Could it be any easier than that? Let's do the other side. So again, we're gonna open the other package and unfrill or unroll the beautiful tinsel, foil tinsel, something like that. Again, same thing. We're just gonna peel and stick this white part. So I'm gonna jump up and do that, and then we'll see what this looks like. I actually like that this was divided into 2 pieces. It made it easier to work with so that I didn't accidentally stick things together. Guys, look how pretty this is. So simple, took me less than 2 minutes to put up. You could decorate it with balloons, flowers. You could even put up a cute little sign. So there's so many ways that you could use these, and it's so inexpensive and so simple. I can't imagine anything simpler to decorate a wall or set up a photo backdrop. If you want it to cover more space, you could just buy more packages. This covers a little bit more than 6 foot with the 2 panels, so that gives you an idea what you get in one package. I mean, you could do a whole wall if you wanted to. So great for photos or whatever you want to do. You could have your little baby here with their little smash cake, anything like that. When you're finished, you peel it right back off, you're done. I am going to see if I can save this backdrop because I think I can. Using it on a tablecloth made it easy because it's not probably going to have anything stuck to it. So I'm going to try to peel it off and put this paper back on the tape and see if I can roll it back up and put it back in the bag. So stick around. There we go. I got it off, and I'll turn around here, try not to break any of it. And I'm just going to work the paper back down the tape line. Probably could do it a little faster if you had a helper, but still that didn't take very long at all to stick that back on. So the tape is back on. Let's see if I can fold it back up small enough, because wouldn't it be great if you could buy one of these and get a couple uses out of it? Just takes a little bit of care sometimes. We'll grab one of the boards that it came on and wrap it around. I got it back on the board. See if we can fit it back in the little baggie. And there you have it, back in the little baggie. So I think you could easily use this at least 2 times, possibly 3, depending on how dusty your sticky surface is. But again, I had it on a vinyl tablecloth and it came off really easily and rolled up and went back into the bag really easily. Honestly, the cleanup is my least favorite part of hosting a party or a get together. So this makes it super simple. For something so affordable, this makes a huge impact. If you have parties coming up or you just want your photos to look a little bit more fun, I definitely recommend this Melson Tinsel Foil Fringe Curtain. It's a pack of 2. As you can see, it's simply stunning.